Hello, this video shows the basic operation of PDFCommunicator. After watching this video, you will understand how PDFCommunicator works. Let's start PDFCommunicator and explore the settings panel. Here, you can add your company information that always will be included when sending invoices, for example. Naturally, you can send documents on behalf of any company. In this case, the company data will be dynamic. The same with data of your customer. This can be fixed or added in any way that will fit your workflow best. Tax percentage can be different even inside one invoice. That's what PDFCommunicator covers in these settings. Some invoices or related documents contain data fields that can be defined as standard. You can add these here. With the basic version of PDFCommunicator, you can already start automating PDF document distribution. One important key feature of PDFCommunicator is our table extraction functionality. Out of the box, you can find here settings that make smart table analysis suitable for users who aren't IT experts. PDFCommunicator can work with any company layout in a flexible way, but they need a repository. Same with attachments and other document handling. This is the place to set the local or network locations. When the settings don't serve your needs, you can add a script to tune your document flow to the maximum. So, you need scripting and have issues making them yourself? EasyData engineers are always happy to help you out. PDFCommunicator fits your organization in an affordable way, from 1 document a month to 10,000 a day. We leave users not without operational warnings, especially when communicating as part of the product name. Now we have seen the basic settings. Let's go to an invoice to see how it's processed by PDFCommunicator. PDFCommunicator comes with examples, and these are the documents we use here, based from a default installation. The definition is already made and naturally automatically fits and is displayed in the way most preferable to our users. PDFCommunicator supports by default the UBL XML standard and can be dynamically checked during editing. Naturally, PDFCommunicator supports other validation rules, although fall outside the scope of these explanations. PDFCommunicator offers various ways for displaying data fields that will be exported into your XML data file. Fields and their designated descriptions are connected in the editor to make visible connections to the user. The benefits of business efficiency can be found inside table data that PDFCommunicator can extract easily. For document identification, unique data needs to be added to your document definition. The text is automatically recognized and can be checked by hovering the mouse over the text. That's it for this video, which should give you an overview on PDFCommunicator.